become a shaded view lines. Okay. So just this view, it looks like a 3D view. Okay. Okay. Now, when you're done with this, then you can start do the dimension. How do you do dimension? The procedure is still the same like we use when we do like a geometric or 2D drawing. Go to annotate, just go to this dimension, use a dimension layer. For example, radius in here, right? Or I can change the properties as well. Something like that. How many units? I don't want any decimal points. Just a simple one. Just to show you guys how to do dates. Okay, something like that. Okay. Okay. So other than that, it's still the same. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Just the example. Okay. Then you need to finish with all the dimension. Okay. Please try to distribute the dimension to all the views. Okay. Don't leave one view without any dimension. Okay. Then you can delete that view. You don't need a view without a dimension. Okay. So basically for your test 2 next week, I'm just going to provide you guys with this orthographic projection drawing without the 3D object view. Okay, just the orthographic projection. So that based on this, you need to construct a 3D model. Okay, you need to construct this 3D model. Okay, then based on this 3D models, then you have to convert it into this orthographic projection using the provided title block. Okay, that's what you need to do for your test next week. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
orthographic projection ni dia punya tu third angle projection
Third angle. If it doesn't mention anywhere for this course, it's going to be third angle. If you choose first angle, the projection be drawing line is going to change. Okay. But for now, stick with third angle.
Okay.
Okay. So for your mini project as well, okay. So for all the components, for example, if you have like 8 components, each and every components you have to come up with this orthographic projection drawing with complete dimension and also the center lines and everything. Okay. Only the assembly drawing and also the exploded drawing, I don't need this orthographic projection. You can just submit the assembly drawing, just a 3D object, right? Because you put all the components at one place and you try to assemble it. Then for assembly and exploded drawing, you don't need to convert it into an orthographic projection. But for all other components, you have to convert it into orthographic projection, because basically for engineers or drafters, this is the drawing that they want. Okay, they don't want a 3D object drawing, they want the orthographic projection drawing with all the details, dimension and everything. Okay. I believe that's it. Any other question? No question? Okay. If there is...
Sir, yang
Yes.
mini project tu yang orthographic projection untuk setiap komponen tu, satu drawing tu tak banyak-banyak komponen ke? Maksudnya satu drawing
No,
satu
satu drawing, satu komponen.
Okay. Walaupun ni komponen tu kecil, semua memang satu duduk satu komponen.
It doesn't matter the kecil or besar, because even every single component, we want to know the dimension. What is the size? What is the length? What is the diameter? We want to know that. But you have to remember, okay, it's not, what's my, okay. For this orthographic projection, for sure, you have like a 3 views, right? If your component is very simple, you don't need 3 views, probably just 2 views or just 1 view. You can check back my lecture slide. We put like an example of the orthographic projection with just 1 view. Doesn't have to be like a 3 views. Okay. If it's very simple, for example, it's just like a, if for example, if you just have like a, you just have like a simple rod, something like this, right? Okay. So that, oops, okay. Yeah, tak pakai title block. I just want to show you guys. So when you go to layout, make sure it's that angle, okay, and then base, model space, just like that. And then you don't need this, you don't need this, basically. This one, this view, you don't need it. This one, you don't need it. Okay, you have just these 2 views, right? It's still considered an orthographic projection. Okay, just this one, you change it. Ini become like a 3D object. This one, you just provide like a annotate, like what you need to provide is just the length here, right? Something like that, and then also the radius, right? So what you can do is you can provide this, something like that, and then you can just put it there and change it, put it R in the, something like that. It's done. Okay, so the orthographic projection doesn't mean that you have to have all the views. Okay, if you, for example, this is your object, provide the appropriate the orthographic projection, but you need to have like a orthographic projection drawing for every single component. If you have 15 components that you need to construct this, okay, but it's very simple. What you need to do is you just need to construct like a 3D model. That's it. From that, you can just convert it and put all the dimension. You don't have to like draw back all the lines and everything. Okay. Any other question? If there is no question, okay. Is there a question? Yes.
Hari tu saya ada email Sir, tapi tak tahulah Sir dah tengok ke belum. Pasal assignment.
Email. Pasal assignment.
Email. Saya hantar assignment tu file dia salah.
Oh, saya dah terima, saya dah terima. Okay. Nanti saya respon balik. Okay.
Okay, Sir. Thank you.
Okay. I think for tonight, I already upload assignment 2. Okay, you can start access it by 9 p.m. tonight. So I believe right now you can start to access the file on ULearn. Please do the assignment 2. The deadline is going to be on Friday. Okay, please submit it before the deadline. And then I believe there is like a 2 question in that. It's kind of like an exercise for you guys to do before your test 2. Okay, your test 2 is going to be next Tuesday. We're going to start at the same time. Okay, I'm going to allow the access start from 8 p.m. Okay, the duration is going to be 2.5 hours. Okay, please download the question, do the drawing, the 3D object, and then convert it back to orthographic projection. And after you finish with it, you can upload back your test in Julian as well. Okay, so please be prepared for your test. Okay, and then the week after that, just concentrate on your mini project. Okay, your mini project deadline, all the reports and all the drawings, the videos, the deadline is going to be on 25th of June. Okay, so it's like the final day of the semester, right before the study week. Okay, so that means after you finish with this course, you don't have to worry about this course anymore. You can concentrate on other subject for your final exam. There is no final exam for this course. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. If there's no other question, thank you so much for attending my course, for attending my lectures, or bear with me during these hard times of having to have like an online class for the whole semester. Okay, so if you have any other question, you can just email me. Okay, with that, I believe this is going to be our last class for this semester. Okay, thank you so much for attending my class. Good luck with all the other courses for this semester, and please stay safe. That's it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam. Sir.
Yes.
Saya lah. Macam nak tengok juga muka sir. Macam mana? Boleh tak?
Tengok muka.
Betul.
Ya, macam tu pun kita tak tengok kan. Nak kenal ke?
Saya dengan rambut serabai.
Tak apa sir.
Tak apa lah sir.
Nanti kau tengah jogging kan terserempak lah. Oh, mantap sir.
Sir.
Masya Allah.
Biasa kita print screen. Buat kamera tu, buat kamera.
You guys semua kat mana ni? You guys kat hostel eh?
Hostel.
Oh. Saya rumah
Alah.
kat saya
Kat kamera weh.
Wait. Jap.
ada 2 orang je. Okay, dah.
Awal lagi kan? Lei. Jom. Dah. Ke belum?
Lagi dah masuk.
Okay. Satu.
Mana lagi?
Satu. Dua. Tiga. Satu lagi. Freestyle. Satu. Dua. Tiga. Tan.
Thank you sir.
Dah.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Good luck
sir.
with your other courses. Okay.
Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Selamat malam sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.